Today my video is about how you can take a backup of your MikroTik router. So first of all, go to Winbox. Winbox is a tool from where you can download it. Go to MikroTik official webpage. This is the link of MikroTik official webpage. Download from this button, 64-bit or 32-bit. Which version of Windows you install it? Just download the file and install it. Okay. So after that, click on Winbox and enter your MikroTik IP address and login name and password. Just click on connect and this window will appear. Go to file and click on backup button. Rename your file. And after giving name your file, click on backup button. The backup is complete. After that, if you want to restore your backup, click the restore button. Click on the restore button and just restore the backup. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.